In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your YouTube theme on desktop. If you spend a lot of time on YouTube, switching between light and dark can make the site more comfortable and easier on the eyes, depending on your room lighting and personal preference. Start by opening YouTube on your computer. In the top right corner of the page, look for your profile picture. If you don't use a custom photo, you'll see a colored circle with your initial or a generic avatar in that spot. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu controls many settings, and the one we want is Appearance. You might see it listed simply as Appearance or with a note about the current mode. Click Appearance to open the theme options. On the screen that appears, you'll see two choices: Light Theme and Dark Theme. Light theme uses a bright background with high contrast, which can be great in well-lit rooms or during the day. Dark theme shifts the interface to deeper grays and blacks, reducing glare and making the screen feel gentler in low-light environments. Select the option that suits your eyes and your space. As soon as you click, YouTube updates instantly across the site. There's no save button to press. Take a moment to browse around. Your homepage, the sidebar, settings menus, and the watch page will all reflect your new choice. If you had multiple YouTube tabs open, refresh those tabs to keep everything consistent. If the change doesn't appear right away, a quick page reload usually does the trick. A few helpful notes. This theme setting affects YouTube's look only. It won't change your browser or other websites. Your choice generally stays with your experience on this browser. If you move to a different browser or device, you may want to set the theme there as well. On shared computers, your theme selection will apply to your YouTube use, and others can choose their own preference when they're using their accounts. Choosing the right theme is about comfort and clarity. Light theme can make text and elements pop in bright spaces, while dark theme can reduce eye strain at night or in dim rooms. Neither option changes video quality or captions, only the interface's colors, so you can switch freely based on what feels best at the moment. And that's all there is to it. To recap the flow you'll use anytime, click your profile picture, go to Appearance, and select Light Theme or Dark Theme. It's quick, reversible, and tailored to how you like to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your new YouTube look.